Learn English to Gujarati. Find forms. Find to.
shodhavuṁ,
And found to.
maḷyuṁ.
Welcome to the Great Missing Keys disaster. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny mystery, a lot of repetition, and just enough chaos to keep your brain awake. Today, everyone is trying to find the same missing keys, which is honestly not a great team strategy. Our adventure begins with one noble goal, to.
shodhavuṁ,
The missing keys. In English, that is simply, find. But in our story, nobody is calm. The cat is sitting on the map, the uncle is checking the refrigerator for no reason, and someone is looking inside a shoe as if the keys opened a tiny apartment there. You hear the mission again, we must.
shodhavuṁ,
We want to.
shodhavuṁ.
The keys, the answer, and maybe the dignity we lost 5 minutes ago. I found it, probably under my nose. Now let us move from the mission to the result. This is where you sound victorious, smart, and slightly embarrassed. You search the table, the bag, and the dramatic fruit bowl. Then suddenly you shout,
મને મળ્યું.
I found it. Maybe you found your keys. Maybe you found your glasses while wearing them. Either way.
મને મળ્યું.
Try it aloud. I found it.
મને મળ્યું.
Again, with more detective energy.
મને મળ્યું.
You found it, detective you. Now I point at you, very politely, and give you the credit. Enjoy this moment before someone asks you to find the wallet too. When you found it, you can say,
તમને મળ્યું.
You found. Example. After 10 minutes of panic, you lift a cushion and yes.
તમને મળ્યું.
And for a group, the learned form here is also.
તમને મળ્યું.
You all found. So if your whole team finally discovers the snacks, congratulations.
તમને મળ્યું.
He found it and she found it too. Time for some gossip, but educational gossip. We are now talking about other people and their heroic discoveries. He found it becomes.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
Picture him searching everywhere, acting serious, and then finding the keys in the obvious place. Yes.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
She found it becomes.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
She checks the bag, the shelf, and the pocket everyone ignored. Finally.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
Mini contrast. He found.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
She found.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
The general found zone. Sometimes you just want the simple idea of found. No drama, no person, just success. The general word here is.
મળ્યું.
Found. Imagine the happy moment after a long search. Found.
મળ્યું.
The phone?
મળ્યું.
The answer?
મળ્યું.
The cookie you hid from yourself and accidentally hid too well? Also.
મળ્યું.
We found it and became legends. Now you are not alone. You and your team are searching together, which usually means 4 people searching and 1 person giving unnecessary advice. We found becomes.
અમે મળ્યા.
Imagine your group looking under the table, behind the curtain, and somehow inside a cooking pot. Then someone cheers.
અમે મળ્યા.
Say it with teamwork energy, we found.
અમે મળ્યા.
They found it somehow. And now the mysterious other people. Maybe they are helpful neighbors. Maybe they are just better at searching than we are. They found, in this learning set, is.
મળ્યું.
So if the neighbors return with the missing keys and a proud smile, you can remember, they found.
મળ્યું.
Yes, it overlaps with the general form found, which is great for memory and slightly rude to your grammar panic. Relax. You are learning patterns, not negotiating with a tax office. Rapid fire drill. Let us do a quick spoken workout. You listen, repeat, and try not to lose the imaginary keys again. Find.
shodhavuṁ.
I found.
મને મળ્યું.
You found.
તમને મળ્યું.
He found.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
She found.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
Found.
મળ્યું.
We found.
અમે મળ્યા.
You all found.
તમને મળ્યું.
They found.
મળ્યું.
Tiny dialogue from a very confused house. Here comes a short scene. Listen for the forms and enjoy the household level panic. Person 1 says, we need to find the keys. In Gujarati, to find is.
શોધવું.
Person 2 says, wait, I found something.
મને મળ્યું.
Person 3 points and says, no, you found the TV remote.
તમને મળ્યું.
Grandpa enters like a movie hero. He found the keys.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
Grandma replies, actually, she found them first.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
The whole family shouts, we found them.
અમે મળ્યા.
The neighbors outside hear the noise and ask, you all found them?
તમને મળ્યું.
And the final proud report is simple. Found.
મળ્યું.
Final smile and practice. Nice work. You made it through a full search party in Gujarati without calling professional key hunters. Thank you for learning with me. Today you practiced find.
શોધવું.
I found.
મને મળ્યું.
You found.
તમને મળ્યું.
He found.
તેને શોધી કાઢ્યું.
She found.
તેણીએ શોધી કાઢ્યું.
Found.
મળ્યું.
We found.
અમે મળ્યા.
You all found.
તમને મળ્યું.
And they found.
મળ્યું.
Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and next time may you at least find your keys before checking the refrigerator.